Now that your garage floor is clean and all cracks have been repaired, the next step is to apply Seal-Krete Lockdown Concrete Bonding Primer. Lockdown is a self-cross-linking epoxy with nanotechnology for superior adhesion. It reduces the chances of peeling and hot tire pickup. First, check the forecast. If rain is expected within 24 hours, you should hold off on priming your floor until the forecast is clear. If not, you're ready to prime. Start by stirring Lockdown gently to avoid creating air bubbles. One thin coat is all you should need, but if your concrete is still chalky or very porous, a second coat can be applied after the first coat is dry to the touch. First, dampen your roller with water. Then, remove excess water and saturate the roller with Lockdown. Roll it on, keeping a wet edge without letting it puddle. Back roll the entire surface. Lockdown must be allowed to dry for a minimum of 4 hours, but no more than 24 hours to ensure proper adhesion of top coat.